Hey kings and queens, we're back with something electric and absolutely delicious. Today we're making elderberry syrup using just 3 ingredients. We're going to use the elderberry syrup packet from foodforthegoose.com, some spring water or distilled water, and some agave or date syrup. So the first thing you're going to do is add 3.5 cups of water to the pot. Next, you are going to add in your elderberry packets. So this, I have all the goodies that has ginger, clove, elderberries, of course. You're going to stir it all in, and then you're going to let it boil for 45 minutes on low heat. Next, you're going to strain and serve.
Good? It's not bitter, it's just nice. You feel the ginger going down your throat. Killing all these bad bacteria from the COVID.
Look at her. Okay, that's too much elderberry syrup for you. Butter.